So this recording is to help you transfer the ELA Standard Based Assessments from the resource folder in Schoology to your personal folder in Schoology so that your students can take them. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you are at schoology.usd475.org. That's the most important part because that's the only way your login will work. Once you get to Schoology, you will click the drop-down arrow next to Courses and you will choose English Language Arts. So now you're on your English Language Arts page. You're going to click on Add Materials. You're going to go to Import from Resources. Now you have a new title and a new option. So you're going to come over here to the left side and you're going to click Group. And then you're going to choose USD 475 4th grade. Once this pops up, you will now go to your Reading Resources folder. And then that will give you the option for your checklist or for your standards-based assessments. We're going to choose standard-based assessments. Now you're going to check the box next to Assessment 1, and you're going to come down here and click Import. You have a new screen pop up, and you will click Import again. And everything will show up right here in your folder. Now, when it is time to give the assessment, you will click on Assessment Part 1, and then you'll come in here again and click on Assessment Part 1, and then you'll go to Settings. In Settings, you will want to click right here, it will say Submissions, and you want to choose Enable. If you do not choose Enable, it will not be available for your students to use. You will then click Save Changes. You will go back to your Assessment 1 folder. You will go to Assessment 1 Part 2, and you will do the same thing. Settings, Enable, Save Changes. Now when your students log on to this, when they click on Assessment Part 1, they will see a page that looks like this. They will click Start New Attempt, and they will then be able to read the passage and answer the questions. When they have completed, they will click Submit. So hopefully that makes sense, and good luck.